Welcome to MathZip. We are going to factoring trinomials. So this video we are going to solve 3 math, but here is total 9 math which we will complete by 3 part. So 3 part. First part will be 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Number 1. Factor the trinomial. Here is why trinomial? First, second and 3. Therefore, this is the trinomial. Now x square plus 8x plus 7, it's a very simple. If we factorize this one, x square plus 7x plus x plus 7. Why? Because if we factorize 7, it will be 1 times 7 is a 7 and 1 plus 7 is a 8. Now we can take common x, so x plus 7 plus 1, again x plus 7. Now we can take common x plus 7, so here is x plus 7 and x plus 1, and this is our answer. Okay, very simple. Second one, b square minus 7b plus 10. So if we factorize 10, it will be 1 times 10 or 2 times 5, right? Now look, 2 times 5 is a 10 and minus 2 and minus 5, it will be minus 7. So we can write b square minus 5b minus 2b plus 10. So we can take common b, so b minus 5 minus 2, we can take common again b minus 5. Now we can take common b minus 5 and here will be b minus 2, and this is our answer. Okay, so number 1 and 2 of part 1. Okay, number 3, w square minus 12w minus 13. Look, 13 we can write 13, it means 1 times 13, right? So minus 13 and plus 1 will be minus 12, right? So we can write w square minus 13w and then plus w minus 13. So we can take common w, so it will be minus 13, w minus 13, and take common plus 1 and also again w minus 13. So here is w minus 13, w minus 13 we can take common, and finally we get w plus 1. Very simple. So part 1 done. Part 1 done. Okay, so 3 part we will try, by 3 part we will try to solve. This is part 2 and this is part 3. Step by step we are trying to solve everything. Thank you very much for being with me. Let's see part 2, but before you should practice at yourself, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.